Joburg was the hub of economic activities, and it has changed over the years. We started that as a movement to bring hope back and to see how can we make a difference. The bridge was in a state where the panels were vandalized. It required somebody to take the first step, and we were just the brave ones to say, we will step up and we will take the first step. Had to be a collaborative impact with stakeholders and collaboration from all parties. Everybody working together towards the same goal.
Yeah, we were approached by one of our business partners to say that there's a project happening in Johannesburg with Majosi. So from our side, our knowledgeable team have we got in advance, did some design, some rendering on it, and they brought in some color changing lights to highlight the features and the safety around the bridge as well.
So on the bridge itself, that entire road takes 160 solar street light luminaires. We have 60 dynamic lighting color changing units, and then there's an additional 450 solar street lights that are implemented in the area around Nelson Mandela Bridge.
The first night we met on the bridge, as soon as it got dark, the team, the advanced team, all of the other partners met on the bridge and they switched the lights on. It was actually an incredibly emotional couple of minutes, and people stopping and coming closer to see what is happening. This looks amazing.
It just creates that positivity again, that hope, and brings it back on what light can actually do to you, to a person.
When the lights are first turned on, obviously it's a feeling of joy, completion. It's something you've achieved and something prestigious. You've now created something, you've rejuvenated something that gave more hope.
They come to us and say, thank you very much for what they're doing. We can feel the change in the city. We can feel that something is changing for the better. I mean, that's what gives you motivation and what keeps you going day after day.
As South African, we have something that is unique, which is Mandela Bridge.